Fotros drone is an Iranian reconnaissance, surveillance and combat unmanned aerial vehicle. The Fotros was first unveiled in November 2016. Equipped with advanced surveillance systems, including high-resolution cameras and sensors. The Fotros is capable of staying aloft for up to 6 hours, the estimated operational range of around 2,000 kilometers, about 1,226 miles. The IAIO Fotros UAV has a payload capacity of approximately 450 kilograms, about 990 pounds. The service ceiling is approximately 25,000 feet, about 1,620 meters. The IAIO Fotros UAV is designed to carry various types of weapons, enhancing its capability for strike missions. The IAIO Fotros UAV has an estimated combat range of around 2,000 kilometers, approximately 1,226 miles. The IAIO Fotros UAV is likely utilize IPS and possibly other forms of navigation systems for guidance and control. The IAIO Fotros UAV is powered by a single-piston engine. The maximum takeoff weight, tow, of the IAIO Fotros UAV is approximately 0.7 kilograms, about 1,062 pounds. The Fotros is a large UAV, comparable in seat to the American Manfiik Predator, length, is 9 wingspan, approximately 11 meters, about 52 feet.